In today's society, there's a prevalent notion of what a stereotypical man should be: strong, confident, and powerful. Those traits typically are used to describe an alpha male. However, there exists a lesser known, rarer breed of man known as the sigma male. These men are highly intelligent, possess a sense of introverted dominance, and navigate life in unconventional ways that others struggle to comprehend. Unlike alpha or beta males, sigma males exhibit qualities that other men often envy, sometimes even growing resentful towards them. This resentment often stems from a lack of understanding, as people tend to despise what they can't grasp. So why do people hate sigma males? In today's video, we'll dive into 8 big reasons why people find themselves hating sigma males, revealing the complexities that contribute to this animosity. Number 1. They do not want to get to know you. Sigma males won't simulate interest in someone merely out of politeness. Instead, they place a high value on their time and prefer not to squander it on building connections that lack depth or potential for growth. This attitude can come across as dismissive or even arrogant, leading others to feel rejected or belittled. As a result, people may harbor negative feelings towards sigma males, perceiving them as aloof or self-centered, when in reality, they're simply prioritizing the quality of their relationships over the quantity. The truth is, there is nearly 8 billion people alive on planet Earth right now, and a sigma male has no shame in dismissing one person for fear of coming across as rude or impolite. Number 2. They can seem robotic because they rarely complain about anything. Sigma males rarely complain or display signs of intense stress, appearing calm and composed even in challenging situations. While this stoic nature may be admirable, it can also make sigma males seem robotic and unapproachable. People often struggle to relate to someone who doesn't openly express their emotions or vent their frustrations in a way that most people do. This lack of relatability can create a barrier between sigma males and others, leading to misinterpretations of their character and fostering resentment or dislike from those who find it difficult to connect with them on an emotional level. Many people may write a sigma male off as being cold or emotionless, when the reality is that a sigma male feels emotions very strongly, they just don't outwardly display it. Number 3. They don't care what you think about them. One of the significant reasons people may dislike sigma males is their indifference to others' opinions. Sigma males tend to live authentically, unafraid of making unconventional choices or going against societal norms. They rarely walk on eggshells around others, choosing instead to prioritize their own goals and desires without fear of being judged or ostracized. While this level of independence and self-assurance can be seen as admirable, it can also be off-putting to some who may perceive it as arrogance or an unwillingness to conform. People who value fitting in and maintaining harmony may find sigma males' disregard for societal expectations uncomfortable, leading to negative feelings towards them. In short, sigma males do not care what society thinks of them because they don't seek validation from others. They don't need your approval to be successful. Number 4. They never make people feel like they are needed by them. Sigma males often face dislike from others due to their strong self-reliance, which can inadvertently make others feel unneeded. A key trait of sigmas is their ability to rely solely on themselves, a lesson they may have learned early on in life through various hardships and adversities. This strong drive for self-reliance and independence can inadvertently cause other people to feel as though they have no purpose or value in a sigma male's life. In relationships, people need to feel needed and appreciated to build a sense of self-worth and belonging. When sigma males unintentionally exclude others from their lives by being overly self-sufficient, it can create feelings of resentment and frustration, leading to negative perceptions and even hatred towards them. Feelings of inadequacy can be one of the most frustrating emotions to experience. Number 5. They are unapologetically truthful. Sigma males often face backlash and resentment from others due to their unapologetic honesty. They don't shy away from speaking the truth, even if it might be harsh, uncomfortable, or unpopular. Unfortunately, some people prefer to be shielded from the truth and live within their self-created illusions, rather than confront reality. When Sigma males expose these illusions and call out individuals, it can lead to animosity and even hatred. However, in the long run, this brutally honest approach can be beneficial as it forces people to become more self-aware and reflect on their decisions, leading to personal growth and self-improvement. But until that growth is realized, Sigma males may have to endure the negative consequences of their candidness. Number 6. They stand out without even trying. People may harbor resentment towards Sigma males because they often stand out effortlessly. Sigma men are typically highly intelligent, with a penchant for abstract thinking, which frequently leads them to excel in their chosen fields. As a result, they gain respect in leadership positions without actively seeking them out. In contrast, alpha males usually pursue power and dominance directly. The Sigma's unorthodox approach to success and their ability to achieve power without actively seeking it can generate envy, jealousy, and even anger from alpha males who may feel threatened or outperformed by the Sigma's unique methods. This tension between the two personality types can lead to animosity and, ultimately, hatred towards the Sigma male. Number 7. They refuse to partake in gossip. People may dislike Sigma males because they tend to avoid gossip or drama, which are common ways for individuals to bond and relate to one another. Sigmas, however, detest such interactions and make a conscious effort to steer clear of them. This avoidance can lead others to perceive Sigmas as distant, cold, disconnected, and uninterested in people, which can make it difficult for them to form connections with others. As a result, people might misinterpret the Sigma male's disinterest in gossip and drama as a lack of empathy or care for others, leading to animosity and even hatred towards them. When a Sigma refuses to partake in gossip, others might begin to think that he believes that he's above them, which causes a further rift in their perception of him. Number 8. They make others feel incompetent without meaning to. Sigma males often face animosity from society because their exceptional intelligence, insight, and knowledge can inadvertently make others feel inadequate or incompetent. Moreover, Sigma males possess a remarkable ability to articulate their thoughts clearly and effectively. Their talent for both generating innovative ideas and executing them successfully tends to leave others feeling overshadowed and less capable. As a result, some individuals may harbor resentment towards Sigma men, perceiving them as a constant reminder of their own perceived shortcomings. This envy and bitterness can lead to negative feelings and even hatred towards these highly capable Sigma men. For example, during a team meeting at work, a Sigma may effortlessly solve a complex problem that his colleagues, including an alpha male, have been struggling with for days. The alpha, who had been working diligently on the problem, feels inadequate as he realizes that the Sigma's intelligence and problem-solving skills far surpass his own. It's never a Sigma's true intention to make others feel incompetent, it just sometimes happens on accident. If you agree with the points I made in this video, let me know in the comments. For more videos on Sigma males, check out some other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. For those looking to achieve greatness, like the video and subscribe for more. We upload multiple times per week. Click here to see 9 things that Sigma males never complain about, that everybody else does.